Welcome to the world of robotics. I am super excited to introduce you to this fantastic field. What is robotics? Robotics is a science of building and programming robots to help us with various tasks. It's a combination of engineering, computer science, and math. Robots can help us explore space, assist in hospitals, and even play games with us. Types of robots. There are many types of robots, like humanoid robots, animal robots, like robotic dogs, birds, cats, industrial robots for manufacturing and production, service robots for helping people in daily life. A robot usually consists of sensors like eyes and ears, actuators like arms and legs, control systems like the brain, power sources like batteries. Programming robots. Programming is like teaching a robot a new language. We use codes and algorithms to make robots perform tasks and make decisions. Remember, robotics is all about creativity, innovation, and problem solving. Keep exploring, and who knows, maybe one day you'll create the next revolutionary robot. Thanks for watching.